bonjour, monsieur, bonjour, madame. Je m'appelle Ransford Kamele Klenobo. And so we have started looking at numbers. The video is on this platform. We look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 30, 30. And we started application, times, how to tell dates, how to indicate the price of items. And so today, we want to stay in the market a little bit. We want to look at some expressions you would use daily in the market. If you want to talk about price, you want to price something, you want to négocier le prix de quelque chose. So you want to bargain over an item. You wonder, how do I bargain? How do I say this thing is this, is to? So today we're looking at that exactly. We are looking at négocier le prix. Négocier le prix. Négociation, bargaining. Négocier, to bargain. So let's look right here. So now, when you want to buy an item, maybe a pantalon in the market, trousers and pantalon, and they quote you 500 cedi, 500 cedi, 500 cedi, and you say, well, that is too expensive. How do you say that? Let's look right on the board. So we use the expression cher. Cher. If it is masculine, let's say le pantalon, okay, le tableau, we use cher. If it's feminine, maybe la chemise, la cravate, we add e, cher. Cher. So when I say le pantalon coûte cher, we look at coûte in the previous video. Le pantalon coûte cher. I'm saying the trousers is expensive. La chemise coûte cher. The shirt is expensive. All right? So when I say la chemise it coûte cher, I'm using this cher. But le pantalon, I'm using cher. Pronunciation, cher. Il coûte cher. Or sometimes we remove the coûte and put il est cher. Say cher. It's expensive. It's dear. It's expensive. Now, there are other expressions that we add to this cher. Let's look at them. Sometimes we say c'est. C'est trop cher. It's too expensive. C'est trop cher. Too expensive. Or, c'est très cher. Il coûte très cher. It's very expensive. Trop, too expensive. Très, très cher. What if it's la, an item, feminine item, la chemise, la table, la chaise? C'est très cher. Elle coûte très cher. La table est très chère or trop cher. Very, very important. Another way to also say it's expensive, other times we don't want to use the term expensive. We just say the price is high. Le prix est élevé. Élevé. Élevé is high. The price is too high. Le prix est trop élevé. So trop élevé. Trop élevé. Or, le prix est très élevé. Très élevé. Trop élevé. Too high. Too expensive. Too high. Too expensive. So we can apply that. You want to buy maybe what again? Maybe a mobile phone. Okay. Telephone portable. And they quote a price that is too expensive. You see, c'est trop cher. Très cher. Okay, so that is it. So that is or le prix est élevé. The price is too high. Le prix est élevé. Trop élevé. Très élevé. In the next portion of this video, we'll be looking at how to bargain, how to ask for reduction in the price. Thank you. Let me clear the board. All right, so lorsque le prix est trop élevé, when the price is trop élevé, or the item coûte trop cher, qu'est-ce qu'on fait? What do we do when the price c'est trop cher or the item coûte trop cher? We ask for reduction or we bargain we negotiate the price. So in French, there are ways to negotiate the price. All right, let's look at it. We use two very important verbs. Baisser le prix. Baisser le prix means reducing the price. Same applies to réduire le prix. Baisser, réduire. Then we have another expression, very important. Une réduction. Interestingly, une réduction is discount. Discount. A discount. All right, so if you want to buy an item and it's the quoted price and it's it's expensive, what do? Il faut réduire le prix. Réduire le prix. Il faut réduire le prix. Or, il faut baisser le prix. Il est trop cher. Il faut baisser le prix. Or, réduire le prix. Then, or, vous n'avez pas de réduction. Don't you have a discount? Vous n'avez pas de réduction. Or, donne-moi donne-moi une réduction ou fais-moi une réduction. Do me a discount. Fais-moi une réduction. Donne-moi une réduction. Give me a discount. And discount is in pourcentage. 10% de réduction, 5% de réduction. Alors, lorsqu'un un objet coûte trop cher, on fait quoi? On négocie en demandant une réduction. So when your item is too expensive, on fait la négociation et on demande de réduction.